guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I eat my instant ramen. So first you want to boil some water, and on the side I'm going to cook pork belly or samgyeopsal to go with my ramen. You guys can put whatever you want to jazz up your ramen, but I'm going to put some tomatoes in. I always try to put my noodles in at the last minute to make them extra chewy or al dente. I highly recommend putting in bok choy, but this is completely optional and you guys can put whatever you want in. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to try out this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and turn on your notification bell.